Westercoast, Faymere, Edgemead, Leighton City, Leighton Stepford Road, Rocket Parade, Wharton Newton, Hampton Hargate, Benton Bridge, Benton, Coxley, Bowdin, St Helens Bridge, Stepford East and Stepford Central. This train is formed of 4 coaches. Your attention please. The 23:38 Stepford Connect service to Lynn by the Sea has been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable. The 23:26 Stepford Connect service to Lynn by the Sea is delayed by approximately 12 minutes. We are sorry that your journey will take longer than planned.